The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Alright guys, welcome back to St.Ann Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So currently right now we are in Priory and we are at the Yam Man. In Jamaica we have a term which is Yamed. You really don't want nobody call you a Yamed, and if you're a Jamaican, drop in the comments who exactly a Yamed is. But today, you don't know, Yam is going to be on the menu and I'm super excited about it because it is a Sunday. And I wasn't sure the Yam Man was going to be open, but guess what? It opened. Now, short story, the other day I was passing by, I wanted some yams. My usual spot was not open, but I decided to stop and try this place because it's usually packed with people. People are always stopping here because the yam is that good. And I had the yam, but people were stopping to have yam and I tried it for myself. Trust me, it was amazing. So we drove all the way from Kingston just to stop by the Yam Man to have some yam and some saltfish. So let's jump in there and see what go on.
Hi guys, I'm back. I know you missed me from the other video, right?
Oh yeah, you guys are super excited to see Jilly. So you don't know, today we are at the Yam Man. Just so you know. We're there at the right place. Yo, the last time I stopped by here, so yeah, it was amazing, man. It was amazing. So we say, oh, we're gonna stop back today. And you said you've had yam from him before, right?
Yeah, I've been here before.
Was good?
Yeah, man, it was good.
Trust me, really good. Really good. And you guys open 7 days a week?
Yeah, but right now, I take 2 days. Just 2 days, and I come back.
Okay, good.
Sun's very hot, so I just take Tuesday.
Nice.
And maybe eat it every day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Straight.
When we go on for the load,
yeah.
But you don't know, me just scrape up here and deal with this. Like saltfish.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. John, a mackerel. Proper things, wicked. That's the one thing, you know, you don't know. You see the sweet potato. Yeah, man, see the ready sweet potato, you don't know.
Straight.
Ready sweet potato. But you don't know, see me on that, that's why I roast see me well hot. Well hot. Yeah. So you don't know you have to go on with the same way. I don't just people work. Just go on and do right.
So quick question, last time I stopped, I hear a man make a vibe say, him not really want him yam peel. He want it scrape because it eat better.
Me I tell you, so you don't know, me just flash it off him, see him.
Straight.
A Rasta man deal with the thing still, you know? Yeah.
Better. Down.
Yeah, man.
We run it that way.
Prepare
This way.
it that way.
Yeah.
Vibes.
You have soup too?
How you eat it?
Yeah, man, and can't take out the soup on about it.
How about you? How do you eat it? Do you have it peeled or scraped?
I'm not peeled, but
Peeled?
I've had it scraped and it's good. Butter.
Vibes.
When you're well hot, brother. See it? You have to beat it like this. And carry it on. Don't know now, let's go to the coyote. If you the side away, right away, well sweat. Take out your box, my boy.
So what kind of yam them one?
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam, straight.
Yes, straight yellow yam, my roast still, you know.
Vibes.
Yeah. Yeah, man, put it up. Yeah. You don't know, you put it in here, so you have to taste it sometime. Make it nice, you know. You want to taste, mama? Taste a little, see all the customers are taste a little. You mean? Yeah, fritters ready too. You cut it up like this. Boom. Well hot, you know. Customers well want it, well hot. If you not hot, customers them want butter on it. Yeah, and then you do it like this.
You know the real ship on butter,
Jaja. And then you come back up here, so you want to do him like this again. You don't know, you don't clean off, you wipe off all your hand and them things. And you sketch it like this again. You have salt mackerel, well proper. Yeah. All them piece of mackerel you have. Whoa. You know, but I broke it up because customers don't want it to broke up. If we broke it up, yeah. You do him like this.
Oh gosh, that look good.
Yeah, man, and customers do him like this, man, and you eat him. Right away. Alright. Property.
Yo.
God bless, yeah, man. I sit round here, so yeah, man. You know, we don't put no toe, no face. Yeah, man, strictly thing. all kind of thing, red peas, you know, Kelly on time, garlic, you don't know, all kind of thing, you know. Never stop turning him till he come. No flour, no dumpling. You don't know, we just wash and chew in. We don't have a sign on glatis. Rastafari all the time. Yeah.
Yo, we can tell your customer they must love your vibes, bro.
Yeah, oh God, man, I tell you, man, they might fight for me down here, brother.
You know, so I see you up on like a TV thing like with, that was like Jamaica 68th celebration or something.
Truly?
Yeah, man, I see you in the background and I say, yeah, are the vibes.
I greatness, man.
Straight, bro.
You know, you do the kind of belly, you know, you have to preserve.
Straight.
Build where build life, you know.
Straight.
But you see a man come a road and I do some natural thing, a build where build life. We not kill life, brother. Stop the killing and make we eat some food, no, man.
Straight.
You get it free, you know, you don't have no money, you know, brother.
Straight.
Me just, you know, check me out of Priory, I want to see what I go.
Trust me, are the vibes.
Heart of love. A jobless.
Always I burn up myself.
Hot? How is it?
It's good.
It's really good, right?
Yeah.
You can see it, man. It have a nice little rich look to it. Coconut milk another one, yeah? Coconut juice in there? Yeah, man. You can see it, man. Can I ask you a question though? You good with the camera or are you scared of the camera? I'm scared of the camera. Cool. So you're not originally from here, like you?
I'm from Jamaica.
You're from Jamaica, but you live overseas.
I live in Miami.
Every time you come here, do you stop by this guy?
Stop. I gotta see everything.
Straight.
Yeah, he's a good guy. He has a good heart. He works hard. I have a lot of respect for him.
Straight. Got you. Vibes. So it's the summertime in Jamaica, and yeah, I got some good advice. Make sure I hydrate. But if you look into the back right there, you don't know my favorite thing, which is coconut water. You don't know how to get back your electrolytes, so I'm gonna have one. So the good thing about this place, the last time I came, it was just a grab and go. Grab some food, had in the car, eating while I was driving or whatever. Now what I realized is that in the back, they have a place where you can sit and have your food. You guys already say, yo, YAMS, aka Everton, is a great energy, great vibes, because sometimes people are normally afraid of the camera, but you have a great energy, great customer service, and I saw that the last time when I was here without the camera. Yeah, facts. Yeah, because sometimes you buy the coconut and then you see like the little darkness. Respect, I appreciate that. Fresh, ice cold coconut water. This one came right out of the cooler. So cold and there's so much water in there, they're still like halfway. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up this coconut water, then I'm gonna try some of that sip.
Thank you.
We not two different vehicles. Yeah, so we not two different vehicles. I say, we can't go take it with the order. So, come in, what call you? Let me say box side. We not two different vehicles. Now
to the back of me there, you guys can see the type of wood that they're using to burn, and I was informed that it is the willow wood, which seems to be a pretty strong one because that fire is going to keep burning for a very long time today to roast all of those yams. So this is your dad's business, yeah? You love the food yourself?
I don't really eat yam, but
okay.
it tastes good.
But the saltfish and them something that you mash it down, right? Cool. So how long have they been out here, you know?
From 2018.
2018? Rotted. So from you see your father start do this 2018, you see a whole lot more development, yeah? Yeah, I can definitely see that. Cause that's not too long ago. That was like what? 4 years ago? 4 or 5 years ago. Cool. And I'm sure I'm not the only person that has come here with a camera, right? It's other people come and highlight the food. Yeah man, because the food is really good. Really, really good. And your name is? Natalia? Cool. So you think you'd want to help out in them business, like help with the cooking and stuff? Make sure nobody shake your head like you read. Alright, cool. And this is your sisters or brothers? Cool. Nice. Nice to meet you, bro. You get shy. You don't get no. So me see you cheer up the saltfish fritters there.
Because it's really good.
It's really good?
Super good.
You come from this side?
No, I don't.
Which part?
But I come from Montego Bay.
From Mobay?
Yes.
So anytime you pass.
So 5-6 times I have to stop right here. So, yeah. The soup is good.
Facts.
The mackerel is good. The saltfish is good. The fritters is good. Everything is good.
Vibes.
Yeah.
So I know what you go have apart from the fritters.
I'm having salt mackerel with wagon run. with the yam and the sweet potato.
Vibes,
Yeah.
vibes. Yo, go and enjoy your fritters and stop your
Thank
little
you.
progress.
I'm just going to roast yam. You see it, me done?
Jano, but how much bag of yam a day you think you roast?
Well, sometimes can't tell your business going on. You know? Can't tell your business because sometimes nothing no go on. You have to all roast and all that shit.
Okay.
It's just trust to look. Rain all fall, nothing no go on. You have to throw it away.
Okay.
But you have to know, say, glad to throw away. More do what you have to do. You understand? Because it's just a hot thing.
You prefer, so you know, you no steal nothing.
No,
Fresh.
Man, no mad man.
Vibes. Alright, so we're about to put in our order and we're going to order the smart way. So Jill is going to have a mixture of the salt mackerel and some sweet potatoes, and I'm just going to have some yam and of course some saltfish again, and that way we can mix and match and see exactly how both dishes taste.
One saltfish with yam and the salt mackerel with sweet potato. I want butter on it. Butter on both of them. Oh, yam?
Yeah, yellow yam. Gravy. You know me have me okra them and things. Natural thing for me bush, you know, man. Natural thing, me got bush go look me things. Natural things.
No, we want
two.
Two. So one of this and one salt.
Easy work, you know, man.
Friends, you know.
No, man. I go get up.
Okay.
Yeah, we buy kitchen in all of us kitchen in one love and one heart. Yeah, it's your meal that you know, me boss.
Right.
I have to do everything right.
Straight.
Yeah, you can't make no black touch all the food to a black you have to come out of. I'm mad man, me boss. Barely this, you know, man. That's how
Straight.
I jump on a youth here, you know.
Yo, may I ask you a question? You guys started in 2018, right?
Yeah.
What inspired the business?
You know, lie down and bed and me a Tony Rebel fans.
Yeah, but see the tournament type of vibes for you. Yeah.
So I used to go down St. Elizabeth. But me don't say, boy, you know, say them good as one, some roast food.
Yeah.
They want some roast food at the venue.
Yeah.
At the you know, he show us, so me just take up myself and I say, me I come roast some food for the people. Every day they will fly down, them want this rice. Me say, no, roast food. No, cook food neither.
Yeah.
Roast it in the fire and scrape it. Deal it like this, roast potato, roast yam. So me just make a fun of it. You know, me even go back to ground or nothing.
Yeah.
Me just say, boy, me I give up. Because I know this can help me and treat my children, send my children them go to school and yeah. But a greatness still, you know.
Heart of
Just
love.
turn it to the best. Heart of love. One heart.
Vibe.
Yeah, man, natural thing, man. Straight. Yeah,
So, man, I tell you, say, I stop and try the food and I say, yo, offer forward back.
Yeah, man. Enough people send it up, you know, because you don't know. Alright, job
Yeah, man, from food good, man, people go forward and film.
Oh, God, man. We can't have hand bread. I'm not hand to deal with it. But you want, man, me one day want to push in the fire. I want some milk. Because milk me roast yam. I'm afraid of the fire. So I'm one day in the fire, brother. But
Because the fire
I don't know how
hot,
long
man.
we can blaze the fire for, but me still for blaze it because you don't know. You have to do what you have to do for the people.
Straight.
People depend on you. You have to just hold it and depend on him. Ask Jack, the most I Jack. We give you the strength for you treat the people. You know some will come with some negative vibes, but you have to hold it. Remember saying, you know, you're strong, you're a 6, you're a black man. And you know they say 6 are strong man, so you don't know. Strong.
Freshly fried. Oh, wow.
Look on.
Crispy and hot.
Nice.
Good? What is the saltfish to flour ratio like? Is it good or
Come on.
perfect?
It's not saltfish flavor.
It's not saltfish flavor.
It's not really have saltfish bits in it.
Nice.
That's fine now. See? Saltfish.
Nice. It is quite hot. And if you don't know what a saltfish fritter is, it's basically just flour. So it's a mixture of flour and water. Then we add some scallions, tomato, pepper, garlic, onion, stuff like that. And then we toss in some saltfish, and there we have it. You have a saltfish fritter. And key thing, especially the edges, you want it to be nice and crispy. Wow. On the inside, it's almost a little bit cakey on the inside, just nice and soft. Really good. So we have our young friend here, and she has a YouTube channel.
Everyone's daughter.
Yeah, Everjohn's daughter. What do you do on your channel? You're roast yam too?
Just started.
What you do on your channel?
Just started.
Okay, so what do you plan to do?
Make video and flour.
So shout out your video.
Life with Natty.
Spell it.
LIFE-WITHNATTY.
So there you have it, guys. Life with Natty. Give her some support whenever she decides to drop content. Vibes? Vibes. So I hope Judy can, you know, help me up on this. But when I was a child, like a saltfish fritter was one of those things that your parents could knock up for you quite quickly and cheaply because there's not many ingredients to it. But now, a piece of saltfish is running easily around like what, almost $1,000? Like $700?
Saltfish is about $750.
$750. So nowadays it is more of a delicacy than something for just, yeah.
Fritters now with sausage.
Sausage.
If you don't have saltfish, because people don't just pick up saltfish like that anymore.
It's so expensive. Alright, enough talk. That's what we have in our plate. Well, the meat is really Jilly's preference because there is mackerel head in there. So if you're one of those persons that like mackerel head, drop in the comment. For me, I mean, not so much. I could do without it. But we're gonna try this. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. The yam with the saltiness of the butter. If you want to get technical, margarine. The salt mackerel is so good. It's not too salty, and that's what I love about this place. Like the saltfish I had last time wasn't too salty, just perfect balance, and then the vegetables in there. Yo, the carrots, done to perfection. Love it. And then a little whiff of the smoke. It's just amazing. They did mention that sometimes they use whatever wood they can get, but sometimes they also use pimento wood, which also accentuates the flavor. I'm now name up mackerel. It's nice. And then to the saltfish. Nice piece of tomato in there and veg. It tastes just the same like the last time, which is exactly what you want. Funny enough, I think I prefer the mackerel. The mackerel is pretty good. Alright, now I have my little mix. For me, the yam and the salt mackerel. Great combination. Alright, so I'm gonna have my final jelly coconut and then we're gonna head out of here. But the experience was amazing. But we're gonna try to go to the beach. Hopefully Reggae Beach is up and running. I've never been to that beach before, so we're gonna definitely go there today. So we did not make it to a Reggae Beach or Bob Marley Beach or whatever they call it because it is now private property. So yeah, never got the chance to make it to that place. So yeah, I don't know what they're gonna build up there eventually, but nonetheless we're gonna take second best at the moment, which is gonna be the Sugar Pot Beach. I've been here probably like a year and a half ago or 2 years ago. What I like about this beach is just, yeah, it's not the typical blue ocean type of water. It's more like has a type of a green type of look with it that gives it a nice to cove look or whatever it is. So yeah, this is where we are right now, sipping on again one of the most iconic beers in the world, which is the Red Stripe beer. If you come to Jamaica and you don't sip on one of these, then you're definitely missing out on a whole reggae vibe. Anyway, we're just gonna cool off a little bit, have a little vibe. It's now sometime after 5 o'clock, so the day is coming to an end. But so far it's been a really good day, some nice food, and right now we're gonna have the nice vibes at the beach. Yeah, let's do it. Man, this beach, it's not quite often spoken about, but it's really amazing. I guess because you kind of have to pass through like the fishing village, and you know, you have to kind of pass through some stuff before you actually get here. But it's pretty nice. Looks like a cove, like I mentioned before. The water is very warm. It's usually very calm. I've never come here and seen it really rough, and that might just be because of the whole barriers with the land and stuff, but amazing. I'll show you guys exactly how clear the water is. Let's dive. Beautiful sunset, right?
Very nice.
Very nice.
I like this beach.
Yep.
It reminds me of Negro, but without the 7 mile.
True. Yeah, because you can walk
Yeah, how far
pretty
distance
far.
out, yeah.
Yeah. guys, that was a beautiful Sunday. Nothing better than having a nice little country drive out, and especially when you have some amazing food with that. If you are a Jamaican, you will remember on a Sunday you probably might jump in your father's van back and you're heading to the beach. So it was amazing ending it at this beautiful beach here and also catching an amazing sunset. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and also consider subscribing if you like content like this. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember to 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.